The president has given a target of 500,000 houses per year. In fact, when you start issues, there are challenges, but we are very proud that the Park Road is doing very well, and we are rolling out other projects that are going to come up. And you can imagine Park Road with about 2,000 units is being done within 2 years. And the first phase is being completed, and we are ahead of schedule in terms of Park Road. And other estates are coming up. And if you check through Bomayagu or through our website, you'll be able to get more information about that.
We have a whole mountain of solid waste deposited there. It is an eyesore. It's next to churches and schools. And we were undertaking the project with a company from Italy, but now that we have abandoned because it seems to be, there is a lot of bureaucracy, and we have put in some level of financing into the project. We have identified an alternative site for a landfill, and so that is where we are presently, and it is something that as days go by, you'll begin to see some actions being taken concerning the same.